What is up, guys? And today we're going to be building a house on Bloxburg with no color at all. I already did it and I was filming, and then I accidentally deleted the footage that I had when I was building it, so we're just going to continue off of what we have now. So we got a bunch of crowds gathered around with my house with no color. So as you can tell, we already did the outside planting stuff. I forgot what that's called. But yeah, we did that. We did the floors, doors, lights outside, and we're currently working in the inside. No color at all. The only way that we can't get color is using these lights right here. And they can shine like some reflections off walls, making it more yellow like this. But yeah, I'm really disappointed that I deleted my footage. But so yeah, we're going to continue off of this, and we're going to work in the inside for now. And then I'll keep you updated on how we're working with each room that we're doing. But let me come inside real quick. We did the bedroom. We did most of the bathroom. And then we're just going to head to the rest of the place. And then I'll show you once we do the kitchen and the family room. But yeah, see you in a sec. Okay, guys, we just finished the kitchen. Here it is. We also added the decorations too. And this looks really nice, honestly, without the color. We literally did no color whatsoever on the whole kitchen. This is just what it comes with. I'll even go on the different things that I did to put these on to show you that I didn't use color. But anyway, we have the whole counters, cabinets, refrigerators, and all the other essential things that we have in a kitchen. And then we have this nice little plate. Utensil stuff set up here, and then ketchup, mustard, salt and pepper, and then the napkins here. It looks actually really nice. This is probably one of my better kitchens that I've done. I probably should move this a little bit more to the right, but you know what? Let's give the people some room in the kitchen. We'll keep it there. Next, we're gonna do the dinner table, the whatever. I don't know. I can't think right now, but we're just gonna make a nice little table right here, probably. And then I don't know where to put the TV area. Maybe right here, but I feel like that's a little close to the bathroom. You know what? We're going to move the bathroom door like right... No, I can't do that. We'll do that. Okay. We moved it over a little bit. But then it's going to hit the sink and stuff. We can move it back. So yeah, here we are. And we're just going to get through with that. And as you can tell, we still got no color. We still got to add some lighting into the kitchen and all of the rooms, and then the main area out here. It's definitely very open and nice. Let's see what we can do. I'll be right back. Hey guys, we are back, and we have finished the entirety of the house with no color. It looks honestly really good. But yeah, so we just went ahead and finished it. I didn't give any more updates, but I hope you guys are excited because this house is pretty lit. Nice lights, yeah. Okay. But yeah, we're going to do a nice little tour of this house of ours. But first, we're going to show you our nice little plants. We got a bush. I forget what these things are called. We got leaves. We got trees. These trees are definitely very underrated because, like, they're like nobody like even uses them, and they're like really good. So yeah. So first, we got the nice little pathways to the front and to the garage floor stuff. And then we got the garage. Yeah, looks nice. And then we got the other garage. It looks the exact same. And then I didn't put any paintings up because I forgot, but I probably should, like right here. But anyway, yeah, here we are. Here's Home Sweet Home. No color. No texture, just grayish white, yeah. We got lights. We got a nice table set up here. I usually don't go into detail with all the plates and the utensils, but since we're not doing any foreign coloring, it looks a lot nicer when we're done. Okay, guys, sorry about the noise. Where was I? Okay, I don't know what I was talking about, but here's the layout. Yeah, I was talking about the dining room. And then we got this nice little kitchen here. Definitely one of my very good kitchens, like I said earlier. You can even see the plates because there's like no color. Probably shouldn't have gone with the modern cabinets. I mean, like the other ones look nice too, but I just wanted to give it some style. And then, yeah, so we got the plates, decorations, ketchup, mustard, napkins, pepper and salt. I don't know why I say that, but gotta give the full tour of every single thing since we don't have any color in here. It makes it so boring. Got a nice coffee maker, paper towel things. I literally, every single video, I always forget what that thing's called. Oh my gosh, I am stuck in first person. Okay, here is the stove. Here is the blender. We have this cool modern fan with the stove here. The microwave, I think I already said that. And then the toaster. And then a nice black refrigerator. It came this color. I did not paint it at all. And then we got this nice textured designed door. I didn't texture it though, but that's just how it came. And then we got the same on the other side. Then we put some walls up to make it not too open and not too weirdish, but just to give it some sort of feel. Then in the TV area room, we got windows. We got this nice TV stand here. I probably should have put a remote. Oh, I forgot the table here too, but whatever. And then we got we put this little cushion here because you can put your legs out on it. And then we got the L-shaped couch and a fan. Then here, this is the garage look. Not too exciting, but yeah. We're gonna go into the bedrooms. We have this bed with tables on both sides with lamps. And then we got the bookshelf. And then if you open this door here, we got our nice closet. And then, once again, windows. This is definitely not very exciting. I know that for a fact. But here we got a shower. Probably should put a bathtub. We'll do that later. Windows, toilet, sink, open door, closed door. Okay. I'm really sorry, but this video is kind of boring because there's no color or anything. Brightens my mood when there is color. But yeah, it definitely makes it really hard. A couple of times I actually started to put color on the wall, and then I realized, wait, we can't. And then it just goes away, and you're really sad. But yeah, that was the challenge. It was definitely a very hard challenge. The outside, I would say, looks really nice. And then if you're want to do a video on this, if you see these lights right here, definitely a great idea. I should have probably put them in the inside because it gives it some sort of color. Like the shade of it makes it yellow everywhere. Just makes it look a lot nicer. And then we put this nice little wall up with the grass wall. I don't know what it's called. But it gives it a nice little border. Oh, I totally forgot to put the small little fence thing. We'll do that real quick. Just for our self-being. It'll make it look a little bit nicer and more structured. Why am I so slow at building? I don't know why. You can't even see it. I don't know if there's any point in doing it if you can't see it. But yeah, we're still gonna do it. Did we put it here? Okay, and we're gonna put here. Here. You literally can't see a thing, but we're just putting it to put it. And just a little bit more. And wait, did we do it here? And we're done. Okay, guys. We just finished that. Let's get out of build mode real quick. Okay, we've got trees on the outside. We moved the mailbox so we can have this nice little area over here. But anyway, that's pretty much it for building a house with no color at all on Bloxburg. So sorry, but like it's a little bit boring with no color materials at all. But we tried our best. Looks okay. We could have put a little bit more design in it and make it a little nicer. Probably should have put some cars in there. But yeah, we did it. And I hope you guys liked it. But before you leave, hit that subscribe button if you didn't. Like this video and comment down below what you want to see next. You want to see something on Bloxburg, Arsenal, whatever. It doesn't matter. You can also turn on the post notifications so you get notified for every video we make on this channel. Once again, guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next video. I can't find the end button.